Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who most gracious and most merciful, and Excellency Abiani Panamida as Director of Santas Perkamlar Bafida, and to the honorable all my parents and all my teacher, and respectable to all my friends and who I love it, and thank you for Allah to give us opportunity we can learn together with this day, and salawat and salam to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarina Bana. I'm 9th grade. I'm from Junior High School Larai Banfida, and today in front of you I will present my imagination map about our other title cause the causes triggers sneezing. Okay, first brain is about sneezing. Sneezing is one our body's most common reaction, but we don't often take the time to stop and think about why it happened. And triggers this because debris and even a false praise and allergen and dirt or dust. Two brains. Next brain is a two. If about reflex sneezing. This feel like something we do when it's that reaction by the cilia of the cell, and we have two different nerve signal and nerve increasing cell and tear secretion and can detect the irritation. Before sneezing, this is that the last brains, third brains, and before is about before sneezing. Before you sneeze, spread your sickness in throat. Those 1,000 particles are driven up respiratory and through your nose at high speed, and nose, mouth get irritated, allergen or irritant. Move on sneezing etiquette in below. Maybe tomorrow or tomorrow again. I don't know. Yeah, okay. I think enough about pronunciation emergency map today. Yeah. Sorry for all the mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.